We need connect it by serial port. In my next video I will show how to make the adapter from serial port. This is a TTL adapter. I will show how you can make it in my next videos. So we connecting to this pin. Let me show in another PCB. Need connect to this pin. After we connect, we opening a hyper terminal from Windows XP. Here we can write anything, no matter. We choose our serial port. And configure, put this speed. Here we put known and OK. Now we give power to CCC and terminal start logging. From this log we can understand many things. In my next videos I will explain how to understand anything. If you open, you connect CCC to computer, open this terminal, give power to CCC, and this terminal didn't show you anything. It means we have problem with this IC or this EEPROM or this flash, because this IC use this flash and this EEPROM, but it is from 100 only 9, 10 can have problem with this IC. So consider this IC is faulty. We change it. We can take this IC from tuner board. Tuner board is here. It contains same IC. Here it must be. And if you buy new or take it from tuner board, put here, you need to program it, because this IC have a internal flash and it use this flash and this EEPROM. I want to show how to start programming from this one. To program this one we need the serial cable and software in computer. To program these two we need a programmer. Need put it here. And the another one small, we solder it here and put on programmer. Okay, consider we bought a new IC, change it. We need to program it. We have a cable. For programming this IC, we need I cannot focus. Let me show in another PCB. This pin is for by this pin CCC receive data from PC. It is RX pin. This is TX pin. It transfer data to PC. And this pin need connect with ground with a resistor 1 kilo ohm. And here we need to connect a reset pin. I cannot focus. Let me show in this PCB. Reset pin we must connect here to this capacitor. After we connect everything, we give power. CCC nothing use, didn't use electricity. We open on computer this program. I will put the link where you can download this program under my next video. I connect something wrong. Let me check connections again. Oh, okay. I didn't connect this socket. And let me put down the phone because I cannot take a video and work. Again. Something wrong. I think this ECU is this IC is faulty. I cannot connect to it. Let's try to connect to this IC in another PCB. But after I want to check